Welcome dear learners to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. I am Shivi Gupta and today we'll be understanding the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Kit Wright. Now this is a very funny and interesting poem about how a dad tries his best to get the cat down from the tree that is stuck up there. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Kit Wright. This morning a cat got stuck in a tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." In the very beginning of the poem, we see that there is a cat which got stuck in the tree. And when poet's dad got to know about it, he said that, okay, fine, now leave all the worries and all the tensions of this world, and now it is my duty to bring the cat down. So dad has taken up responsibility to bring the stuck cat down from the tree. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mum said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." The tree on which the cat got stuck was quite tall and wobbly. Now what do you mean by wobbly? Wobbly means it was unsteady. So the tree on which the cat was stuck was quite tall and unsteady, and looking at what the father was going to do, Mom said that for goodness sake just don't fall from the tree, okay? Because she was worried that Dad might fall down from the tree and he might hurt himself. "Fall?" scoffed Dad. "A climber like me? Child's play this is. You wait and see." He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So when Mom warns him about climbing the tree, Dad says that there is no need to worry about him at all because he's overconfident about his climbing skills, and he is so certain that he's going to climb the tree in a minute and he's going to get the cat down from that tree. But as soon as he climbs that ladder, what happens is the ladder slips down and he lands himself in the flower bushes. "Never mind," said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. "We'll try plan B. Stand out of the way." Mum said, "Don't fall again, okay?" So Dad has now fallen down from the tree, but he has not lost his energy, his enthusiasm to save the cat from the tree. So he says that it's all right, it happens. So he just gets up, brushes off the dust from his clothes and his body, and he says that it's time to execute plan B. Listening to all of it, Mother again gets worried and she again warns the father that, see, everything is fine, but just don't fall again, all right? And now father is ready to execute his plan B. "Fall again?" said Dad. "Funny joke." Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Dad landed well up, back on the deck. Mum said, "Stop it, you'll break your neck." Listening to the mother's warning, the father assures everybody that, he's not going to be the one who falls down from the tree because he's so confident about his plan B. So what does he do? He swings himself up on a branch of that tree, and because the tree was unsteady and the branch was weak, what happens is that the branch breaks down, due to which the father again lands himself up on the deck and his plan B has failed again. And looking at all of this chaos, what does the mother do? The mother warns the father again that, "Oh, stop it, it's high time, otherwise you will break your neck." "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me." Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Listening to the mother's word, Dad says that, "Oh, rubbish." He's still going to try and save the cat because he had taken up the responsibility to save it from the tree. And he says that now it was time to execute his plan C, which was going to be as easy as winking an eye. And so what does he do? He climbs up the garden wall, and to everybody's surprise, he doesn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. Now, after climbing the garden wall, what does the dad do? The dad straight away takes a leap and jumps on the crook of the tree where the cat is sitting. Now, what is a crook? The crook is the V-shaped like structure of the tree where the trunk and the branches get connected. So, dad lands himself straight on the cat, due to which the cat shouts and she just jumps on the ground, and as soon as she gets down, the cat is pleased, safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad's still stuck up the tree. So the cat was smiling and smirking on coming down from the tree and is very happy and pleased with itself. But where is dad now? Dad is still stuck up on that tree where the cat was earlier. So this was all for today's poem. I hope you have understood it pretty well. If you still have any doubts with any part of the explanation, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. And we'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home and take care.